Good evening, all of you. My name is Himanshu, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the conjugation of two most important verbs in German, haben and sein. These two verbs are highly irregular and they are most common verbs in German. So let us start. Irregular verbs haben and sein conjugation. Before we start, I would like to say, as you can see, haben means to have. That's the original meaning of haben, which is in the infinitive form. But this verb haben is used to replace verbs like have, has, and had. But since we are doing the present tense, we will be doing only for has and have. In the same way, sein, which gives the meaning to be, that is its infinitive form. Infinitive means original form of a verb, but it replaces or it is used for the verbs. In English we call them helping verbs, but here those are is, am, are, was, were. But since it's a present tense, so here we will be using sein only for is, am, and are. On the extreme left, here I have written the pronouns, or rather subject pronouns. If you don't know about them, then please go through to my video. I have made separately how do we use the subject pronouns in German language. So let us start. Ich. Ich means I. When we have haben, it will be habe. Ich habe, which means I have. Du hast, you have. Er hat, he has. Sie hat, she has. Es hat, it has. Wir haben, we have. Ihr habt, you all have, you as a plural. Sie haben, they have, and sie with capital S is you singular formal haben, you have. So that's how we use haben. Coming to sein, ich bin, I am. Du bist, you are. Er ist, he is. Sie ist, she is. Es ist, it is. Wir sind, we are. Ihr seid, you are. Sie sind, they are. Sie sind, you are. Now let us do some sentences. First sentence is based on haben verb. I have a pen. Ich habe einen Stift. Einen is an article. If you don't know how this article came here, I have actually explained everything about the articles in my video of definite and indefinite articles, along with the cases that which article should be using where. Ich habe, how the ich habe came anyways. Ich and habe, I have. Ich habe einen Stift. We have a car. Wir haben ein Auto. They have a car. Sie haben ein Buch. I repeat, if you don't know how this einen is changing to ein, because it's very important, then you need to go through to my videos about definite and indefinite articles. She has a dog. Sie hat einen Hund. You have a notebook. Informal expression, du hast ein Notizbuch. Sie haben, this is a formal one, Sie haben ein Notizbuch. He has a ball. Er hat einen Ball. She is a girl. Sie ist ein Mädchen. Now we are doing sentences based on sein verb, because is come from sein only. I am a student. Ich bin ein Student. We are sad. Wir sind traurig. Wir sind traurig. You are crazy. Plural you. Ihr sind verrückt. Ihr sind verrückt. You are beautiful. Singular. And formal expression. Sie sind schon, or informal expression where you is used as a singular. Du bist schon. Du bist schon. They are intelligent. Intelligence. Sie sind intelligent. Sie sind intelligent. That's all about today. I hope you liked this lesson. If you did, then subscribe to my channel, share it, and if you want to learn French till A2 level, I'm giving the course for A1 and A2. You can give me a call or WhatsApp on the number provided here on the screen. Thank you so much. I will catch you in my next video. Bye bye.